I have a question for you. How would you pronounce these letters? It's pronounced like O. In French, when vowels combine, they create completely new sounds. So don't try to read every letter individually. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to explain French vowels and vowel combinations and show you exactly how to position your mouth so you can sound more natural immediately. We will go through 3 simple steps: simple vowels, vowel combinations, and nasal vowels. First, let me tell you something very important. In French, vowels are everything. They carry the sound, they carry the rhythm, and if your vowels are wrong, the whole word sounds wrong. But don't worry, after this video, that's going to change. In French, vowels are usually pure sounds. Unlike English, they don't glide. For example, in English, the word go actually sounds like go. In French, vowels are clean, controlled, and stable. Let's go one by one. Now, let's start with one of the most open sounds in French, the vowel A. It's simple, clear, and very open. It's pronounced like A. A. For example, chat, papa. Open your mouth, relax your jaw, keep your tongue flat. No tension. Very open and clear. Ah. Ah. No glide. Chat, papa. Now, let's look at a very sharp and precise vowel. The vowel E. It's pronounced with a tight, focused mouth position. For example, li, si, sis. Lips slightly stretched, like a small smile. Teeth close together. Tongue high and forward. E. E. Hold it steady. E. Li. Sis. Now let's move to a round and control sound. The vowel O. It's stable and never glides in French. O. We don't say O. Okay? For example, mo. Lips rounded, very fairly closed. Sound clean and pure. O. No glide like English. Go. No. O. O. Here comes a sound that many English speakers find challenging. The vowel U. It exists in French, but not in English. Let me pronounce it. U. U. Let's see some examples. Tu. Lune. Let me repeat it again. U. Tongue forward, lips rounded. U. It feels strange at first, that's normal. U. U. Okay? Now let's talk about a small sound that creates big confusion in spoken French. The vowel E, called E stable, can appear or completely disappear. This is how we pronounce it. E. E. Lips relaxed, jaw relaxed, tongue in the middle. E. E. For example, je, le, me. This is the famous schwa sound, soft, natural, relaxed. In French, this E is sometimes pronounced and sometimes completely disappears. E in one syllable, it's usually pronounced. Je, le, me. When it's in the middle of a word, it's sometimes dropped. For example, samedi, samedi. It's also silent at the end of a word. For example, table, table, livre, livre. So we don't say table or livre, okay? Unless you are an aristocrat. Now let's move to combinations that create new sound. Let's start with a sound that exists in English but is more controlled in French. The combination OU. It produces a deep OO sound. OO. For example, vous, tu. Lips rounded, push lips forward. Small opening. Like you are about to whistle. OO, OO, vous, vous, tu. Now let's cover a very typical French sound. The combination EU can produce two different vowel sounds depending on openness. E, for example, de, closed E, and sœur, open E, sœur. Let me repeat, E, de, and sœur, sœur, sœur. Let's look at a combination that creates movement inside one syllable. The combination OI is pronounced wa in French. Wa. For example, moi, toi, or bois. To produce it, start with a rounded O, glide quickly to an I. Lips move forward, rounded, slightly spread. Wa, wa. Great job. Now we enter the musical part of French. When a vowel is followed by N or M and not doubled, it often creates nasal sounds. You do not pronounce the letter N here. Air flows through your nose. Let's start with AN and EN combination, one of the signatures of French pronunciation. The combinations AN and EN create a nasal AN sound. Let me repeat again. AN. For example, France, enfant. Mouth open, relaxed, air partially through the nose. An. Here is another nasal sound you hear constantly in French. The combination ON produces a rounded nasal vowel. Listen to me. On. For example, non. Bonjour. Lips slightly rounded, nasal airflow. On. Without the N sound. Non. Bonjour. Next, let's explore one of the most recognizable nasal sounds. The combinations IN, AIN, and EIN all create the same nasal vowel. Un. For example, pain, vin. Okay? Again, no N sound at the end. Let me repeat. Un. Finally, let's look at a nasal sound learners often find difficult. The combination UN. It creates a unique nasal vowel with rounded lips. For example, parfum, lundi. Rounded lips, relaxed jaw, tongue in the middle. Again, air flows through the nose. A soft nasal, English has no exact equivalent. Rounded lips plus nasal airflow. Now let's put everything together and train your ears. Listen carefully to how each vowel changes meaning. Repeat after me. Tu, tu, ton, ton. Notice how small mouth changes completely change meaning. Now you understand the three essentials of French pronunciation: simple vowels, vowel combinations, and nasal vowels. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments which sound is the hardest one for you. I'll see you in the next video.